Oh, baby.
Soap with dirty water.
Hey, why don't you sit right there on the curb? Whoa. Huh? Sit right here on the curb and empty your boots out. Let me see what's in your boots. Take them out. Alright, do the other one.
Oh, you can hear her pulling her boot off. The suction. Yes, of course.
Me too.